This is Pavones. It's known for having a left-hand point break, which they say, on a good day, you could ride it for 2 to 3 minutes. But it's also a small fishing town. While Kaz antagonized Wes, we had the best coffee, smoothie, and vegan carrot pineapple cake ever. This is Freddie. He wanted to show us the local school and the kids at play.
Already it's like the surf. All the little houses are around it. About this spot. But everybody's in the house already.
We enjoyed every bit of a lovely Tico taco lunch. At the end of the day, we found a shady spot and took in the action. And we dined at La Piña.
This is so awesome.
Zucchini,
Cauliflower. What was this? Asparagus?
I don't know. So good. Pavones is a beautiful remote town where life happens much slower than anywhere else I've ever been. And I enjoyed the slowness of it all and the kindness of the people we met along the way.
That's the border?
Panama border, right there. Panama, Costa Rica.
Join us next episode when we explore the wonderful paradise of Puerto Viejo.